Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, 2025. It's a new day, guys. Yesterday we were finally able to get the monkey off our back, finally able to get a win. Went on a 15 trade losing streak. Yesterday we were able to get a win. Not only a win, we were able to finish the day positive, so that's pretty good luck. Today, guys, we're here to do a little bit more of the same, right? We're here to make sure we manage our risk, our emotions, our expectations. Make sure we make ourselves available for the setups whenever they present themselves. Make sure we take them, and then let the rest of the randomness take care of itself, right? So let's take a look at the charts and see what trades we take today.
Order filled.
Alright guys, so first trade of the day is NQ long. You guys see here, price kind of just went up. Boom. Created a change state of delivery after breaking above this. This was honestly the first gap we received. Stop loss is this swing pivot right here. Take profit, again, plus to our all or nothing. And we're just along for the ride. We're going to see how it all wants to play out. And I'll be back. Alright guys, wasn't able to record this one, but we did get stopped out here. As you guys see here, price went against us pretty quickly at the beginning. Kind of just chopped around, made it back to our entry. And then as soon as it did that, it just continued to sell off and took us out for full -1 our loser. Again, it is what it is, only $100, nothing too crazy. First trade of the day. We're going to see if we can find any other setups, and I'll update you guys here in a bit.
Order filled.
Alright guys, second trade of the day is another NQ long. As you guys see here, got the change of state delivery right here, boom. Gap right here, wait for price to pull back into it, boom. Stop loss is the swing pivot right here. Take profit, as always guys, plus to our all or nothing. And now we're just along for the ride. Nothing much after that last trade, kind of just waited around here. As you guys see, no gaps, nothing for me to get into here until this change of state delivery happened. So now we are in the trade. Nothing for us to do now other than wait and just see how it all plays out. So I'll update you guys here in a bit and let you guys know how it plays out.
Stop filled.
Alrighty guys, and there you have it, another trade. Unfortunately, another loser. Price just wants to continue selling lower. It was a valid setup per my rules. Jumped in it, made myself available. Just unfortunate did not work out in our favor. And currently 8:35 lunchtime, no more trades for me until the PM session, so I'll be back and after the lunch window, and we'll see if we take any more trades after that. Alrighty guys, so we are in third trade of the day, NQ short. As you guys see here, price sold off. This was the last gap in that rotation, in that sell-off. Waited for price to pull back into it. Stop loss is this swing pivot here. High, take profit. As always, guys, plus to our all or nothing. Here we are. We're in the third trade. We're going to see how this one wants to play out. We do have news coming out around 11 o'clock, so in about 17 minutes. We're going to see where we are, if we're still in that trade closer to the news event, and we'll see if we adjust anything. Right now, though, we're going to let it play out, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll be back, and I'll update you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, we are back on the charts. So the previous trade, as you guys see here, got in, price kind of just chopped around, was in our favor for a little bit, but ultimately came out, took us out when the news came out. The reason, guys, why I always move my stop loss to break even 5 minutes before the news comes out is for volatility purposes. Again, I'm not nervous or scared of the randomness because I understand the randomness is all part of this. It's just the aspect of the volatility when a price runs through your stop loss. Usually it just keeps going. Unfortunately, it's not the same way when it's going to your take profit. It just triggers at the level. It doesn't just auto keep going. So the volatility here took us out slightly higher than what we wanted, basically -2R on this trade. And then after that, I unfortunately did let the emotions get the best of me. I saw price come back up, make another attempt higher, failed that. I took the entry back here where the initial entry was, and thankfully it did end up working in our favor for full +2R. So basically that whole event is break even. I made $40 on it. Not proud of it, not happy. Haven't done that in a very long time, but again, it is what it is. So we're gonna we've regrouped now. It's currently 11:21. We have an hour and a half left in the trading day. We'll take some setups if we have anything valid present itself, and we'll see how it all wants to play out for the rest of the day, so I'll be back.
Order filled.
Alright guys, fourth trade of the day, NQ short, as you guys see here. Price sold off. This is the gap. Waited for price to get a little bit higher because that stop loss is just way too big. That'd be the risk on one micro, would be risking $200. So it made the stop loss or the entry a little higher, and stop loss still swing pivot right here, as you guys see. Take profit, as always, plus to our all or nothing. So now we are in this trade. Currently 11:56. We still have an hour left in the day. We're going to see how it all wants to play out, and I'll be back in a bit.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Alright guys, so we just got our stop triggered there. As you guys see, price just came up through here. NQ actually came up through here and got us, well, broke the stop loss before, but it missed it on MNQ. As you guys can see here, price went in our favor about +1.7R, pulled back to break even, went in again, and then ultimately came back, took us out for full -1R. So finishing off the day, I think -3R. Again, back to back well, we had some reprieve yesterday, but we're back to the losing streak again, or a losing day, I guess. Here, I'll show you guys the executions for the day. All right, so here you guys can see finishing off the day minus $300, minus 3R. Had that one winner. That I don't really count it as a win because of how we got it. As you guys see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 losers, 1 winner, minus 3R on the day. That's it for me, guys. Calling it a day there. Unfortunate results. Again, we continue to take the valid setups. Just the valid setups aren't really working in our favor right now. Today was a little bit crazier due to the news and all that, news events, speaking, Powell and all that, interest rates. But again, we still have some of the accounts. The Apex accounts are still here. We're going to continue to potentially try to grow these. We still have tomorrow and Friday to see how the weekend or the rest of the week goes. And we'll be back again tomorrow and try to continue to grow these accounts. So appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next one, guys. Have a good one. Peace.